we are going to solve Coco eating bananas, which is what Coco loves to eat bananas, where there are n piles of banana. Think that piles is like a bag. So the ith pile has piles of I bananas, which means what? The zeroth index has three bananas. So the next pile has six bananas inside that, right? So this is what they have told here. And then the guard have gone and will come back in H hours, which is what? So the guard will go somewhere and he will be returned in 8 hours. So Coco can decide her bananas per hour eating speed of K. Each hour she choose some piles of banana and eats K banana from the pile. Okay, so what the Coco is deciding is deciding to eat all these bananas, but if per hour if we eat K bananas, in how many hours he can complete? So within this hour is able to he wants to complete this uh, whole all the bananas, right? So the Coco likes to eat all bananas within the time before the guard comes. So but he also wants to eat it slowly. So what we have to return here? We have to return the minimum bananas he can eat within hour, right? And they also are told that we have to eat first. You have to complete one pile, then only you have to go for the another pile. For example, per hour he can eat two bananas. If it is in this index there are three bananas, so in 1 hour he will eat two bananas. Rest of the time he have to wait for it, and then in the next 1 hour he has to complete this one banana, and then only he has to go to the next pile. So this is how he has to complete this bananas within this hour. So for that the logic is we have to know, we have to return K, right? Which is what? Per hour, how many bananas he can eat. So for that, how will you know from the minimum banana he can eat is one, right? And the maximum is the max banana will be what? The this value, right? Inside this, which is the maximum value, which is 11. So from 1 to 11 only, from 1 to 11 in between only we the number of bananas will be the K, right? So for that we can use binary search. Using binary search we can find how many bananas we can eat. For example, so if you in binary search, what we'll do, we'll have start index and end index, right? So the start index will be the yes, and the end index will be this maximum bananas, right? Within this only the bananas can be eaten, right, within hour. And for this if you find mid value 11 plus, I mean 1 plus 11, which is 12, divided by 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? So first the K value will be 6. So here we, instead of mid, we can also choose it as K. So which is 6. Suppose per hour if he eats 6 bananas, we are checking uh, we can complete it or not. So for the first time what happens if you take this? So for the first time, three bananas can be eaten in 1 hour. So here 1 hour, and then so we can eat K bananas, right, which is 6. So here the first index value also 6. So 6 bananas can be eaten in 1 hour, so that 1 hour. Then we have 7 bananas, but per hour we can eat 6 bananas only. So this, so 6 bananas within 1 hour, and we have to complete this piles, and then only we have to go to the next thing, right? So the another remaining one banana will be in 1 hour. So total there are 2 hours here he will spend to eat. And then if you take the 11, if the 11 banana means which is taken 2 hours. So the total hours will be what? 6 hours, right? So 6 hours is lesser than this given hours, right? So even more we reduce the number of eating bananas, right? So if the time taken is lesser means we have to eat the bananas little more, which little more lesser, right? So again what you have to do, we have to find the mid value. For before that we have to move the mid index where, so here we will change it as, so the you have to reduce, right? So end is equal to k minus 1. So which is what? Now s becomes 1 and e becomes uh, 5, right? So 6 minus 1, which is 5. With that, if you find mid, what is the value? 1 plus 5, which is what? 6. 6 divided by 3, which is 3, right? So now if you choose 3 bananas to eat per hour, now what is the time calculation here? So 3 bananas can be eaten 1 hour. Then here it will take 2 hours, right? And then here it will take 3 hours. Then here it will took 4 hours, right? So here how much time it is taken? It is greater than, right? Greater than this given hour, right? So if it is greater means what you have to do? We have to again find the, we have to we have to reduce the, we have to increase the number of bananas, right? Which is k. For that, if you want to increase means what we have to do? We have to do s plus s is equal to mid plus 1, which is what? 4, right? So check if, so on the e is 5. Now with this 5, if you yes and if you find the mid value, which is what? Here it will be, s will be 4. So 4 plus 5, which is 9, by 2, which is what? 4, right? So which is 4. So the k is 4. Now within 4 hours, how many uh, per hour? If we eat 4 bananas, the time calculation will be, so 3 bananas can be eaten in 1 hour. Then 4 bananas plus the 2 bananas, 2 hours. Then if it is 7 means 4 bananas plus 3 bananas, it will took 2 hours. And then 11 bananas means, so 3 hours, right? So 4 plus 4 and remaining this 3 bananas will be, so 3 hours here it will be. So the time taken is here what? 8 hours. So this time is exact the given hours. So now we have to return that 4 bananas can be eaten in 8 hours. So now we will try to code this. For that, what we have to do? We have to find, we have to have a 2 pointer, which is start is equal to 1 and The n will be what? Maximum bananas, right, from these piles. So this is what the maximum, which is end. So while s is less than equal to e, till we are looping, we have to find the k, right? So k is equal to s plus e, integer division by 2. What we have to do? We have to now calculate the total time. For that, again we have to do a for loop inside this, where p in piles. Directly I'm just looping over the bananas, which is, so uh, we have to find total time, right? So total time is equal to, initially it will be 0. So here we are keep on updating the total time plus is equal to the, now in this case how will you find, suppose in this case if the k is 2, k is 6 means, how will you know within 1 hour, within this, with the 3 bananas we can eat this bananas. So for that, so suppose if you take two bananas we are going to eat, right, per hour. So how will you know how much hour it took for to complete this one pile? For that, what we are going to do is, so for that, how will you know? So for that, number of bananas is what? Which is 3. 3 integer division by how many bananas we are going to eat per hour, which is 6, right? So if we do this, we will get the value as, if you do integer division, it will be, um, it will give only the integer part, right? It will skip the decimal part, which is what? 1, right? But suppose if you take, we can eat, if the cake, the values in 2 bananas per hour means, 3 by 2 is what? 1, right? So but in floor division 1.5, right? So we have remaining one bananas, right? So that also be considered here. For that, if you do um, math dot seal function, which will round off to plus 1. If it is point means, it will round off to 2. Okay. So for that, here what can we do is math dot seal, where we have to do it in floor, right? We want the value in floor. So float, right? Sorry, float. So float is what? The current bananas integer division by what? The k. If you find this, check if total time is lesser than equal to half, means what? We have to save this k, and then, so s is equal to k plus 1, else e is equal to k minus 1, right? At last, what you have to return, once the start pointer is greater than this end pointer, then we have to come out of the loop and we have to return the rest, where we have the k. sorry, I have not declared this res here. So result is equal to 0. Sorry, here I did a mistake. If it is lesser than equal to means what you have to do? We have to do n is equal to k minus 1, and if it is greater means s is equal to k plus 1. The sample test cases are passed and all the test cases are passed. So the time complexity of this will be what? So here we are looping for order of n times, and here we are looping for log m times. So order of n into log m times.